Guys, how's it going? It's Kent Walker of KW Hotel Tours. We are here at the Grand Hotel and Spa in Ocean City, Maryland, and I'm going to go give you a room tour of this room. This room is a partial ocean view room. So let's start at the door. So right here on the wall is the fire emergency escape plan, just in case there's a fire. And you can see that this hotel's in a cool shape. And if you actually go on a boardwalk and look at it, it's cool. It's a cool shape, so that's good. So we got that. Security's taken care of, which is good. You go turn here. We have this little wet bar area with your sink, fridge, and microwave, and with some cabinetry, which is nice. Let's see. So this room has 2 queen beds. We got a little dresser right here, a little opened area up right here. We got a 32-inch Philips flat screen TV. Sorry, I just heard something in the hallway that scared me. Startled me. Anyways, we had 2 windows facing outside of the city. So yeah, that's cool. 2 extra little windows. Here's one bed. Right here we got a little closet with a safe. This is cool. Another glimpse at the TV. Right here we have your work desk. This is cool. And I like that they had this little thing right here. This has all your USBs and outlets, and this, you can move this too, so you can put it anywhere you want. Here's mirror. What's up? Now, when we first checked into this room, there was a stain on the bed when I peeled back the sheets. But I called housekeeping and they put on some cleaner sheets for me. So other than that little mishap, the bed is clean now, and I mean, it's a little bit firm. You can tell it's an older mattress that they're using, but they did a nice job renovating this room nonetheless. Then they have a bed bug. Well, they have a cover on the mattress. They have a cover on the mattress to keep bed bugs out, which I like. That's a nice touch. And here's a little test I like to do and see if you get every nook and cranny. I'm gonna run my finger up here. See all that dust? All dust on my pillow. They need to dust the picture frame some more, but anyway, here's a little window right here, looking out into the city. Right here. So that's cool. We got this little table and chair right here, which I don't know why they put it right there. I felt like this table and chair would be better in this corner, but hey, still looks good. Still works. Just got a little bit of peeling right here, but not that big of a deal. Right here is our balcony. This is a partial ocean front view. This is a massive deck, as you can see. But we got 2 little tables. We got 1 table and 2 chairs. Right here, we're looking at the city, and all the way where I'm pointing is the bay. And we got this light right here that you can flick on a switch. They have light out here. Right here is a parking garage for this hotel, and right here you can see the ocean and the Ocean City boardwalk, which is cool. So partial ocean view. And the cool thing is, we originally got in a room with a city view, but they upgrade us. But they put us in a partial ocean view room, free of charge. So that was kind of cool. So take a pan around the deck. Yes, there's a nice Atlantic Ocean. I'll give you, oh, here's a picture of the room right here. Here's a nice glimpse of the room. There again, and I would like to note that there is central heat and AC in the room. And the vent and the thermostat is right there where I'm pointing. So that's cool. That's all central. And last but not least, let's go ahead and look at the bathroom. That's kind of important. The bathroom was clean. I black lighted as well. So that's a little sink area, some nice counter space. Toilet. That's just it's not dirty. It's just some wear and tear. No big deal. Nice, sturdy. Here is a tub and shower. It's clean. We got well, I think a little bit corrected. There's a little bit of mildew up here. I don't know if that needs to be washed or what, or if it's just stuck on here from age. Might try to wash that off after this video, but the shower curtain looks nice and clean, has no mold, no dirt, which is nice, so I will feel comfortable taking a shower. I got a mirror. What's up, guys? Yeah, I mean, for what we paid for this room, we got a good deal. We've only paid $62 after tax for this room, and with that, I cannot complain. And especially they upgraded us to a partial ocean view room free of charge. And they have an indoor and outdoor pool and a bunch of other stuff in the hotel, so you don't have to walk everywhere. And a coffee shop downstairs and everything. And they give you free coffee and all that. So if you're in the area and you want to come in the off-season months, when stuff is still open on the boardwalk, I would recommend this place. And you don't want to spend a lot of money, I would recommend this place. And there's little maintenance issues, little flaws in the room, like, I don't know if this will come here and pick it up, but little stuff like that where I'm pointing at. Little scuffs on the wall, but nothing really big, other than that little stain on my bed. That's the only cleanliness thing I really found in this room. But I called housekeeping and they were quick about it and they changed it, so. And the staff is quite friendly here as well, so. So yes, guys, so that will be it. This will conclude my tour of the Grand Spa Hotel, and thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.